Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Decode History. My viewers were requesting me to bring a video on how to clear NTA NET in just 50 days. Well, there are so many channels giving you knowledge on the same topic, but trust me, I doubt how many have even appeared in that exam. I am going to share my personal experience as I myself is a candidate preparing for that exam. So, nobody can tell you better than me in this topic. So, let's get started. First of all, let me tell you one thing very clearly that if you think that clearing NTA NET is a cakewalk, let me tell you it's not. It requires a lot of hard work and patience. Well, I have no intention of discouraging anyone. I'm just telling you the bitter reality. If you want to clear this exam, you need to take it very seriously. I have some suggestions for you which I feel may help you. First of all, don't think that you have just 50 days left for your exam. Instead, think I still have 50 more days to study. Second, be confident and self motivated, as motivation is what sets you in motion and habit is what keeps you going. Rightly said by J. Riven. There will be many people to discourage you, demotivate you. Just ignore them. You know, it happened many times with me. There are people who constantly try to demotivate me, but I have always ignored them. And remember, never answer them. Your net certificate will be their biggest answer. Third and most important point to remember is please do make a timetable. It helps you to study in a systematic way instead of haphazard way. Fourthly, divide your study time. Give more time to your subject paper than general paper because syllabus is less in general paper as compared to your subject. Fifth, don't study anything new. Just revise whatever you have studied so far and keep doing revision. Sixth, practice previous year question papers every day, both papers for your subject as well as paper 1. It will help you to analyze your preparation and know your weak points. Seventh, please stop using your FB or Twitter, WhatsApp, or whatsoever. Any kind of social media will distract your mind. Whenever you're using social media, just remember you are pushing yourself one step back from success. I myself stopped using social media from last 70 days of exam. Eighth, you have to overcome fear and love yourself. Sometimes we feel that we cannot do it. It's very natural, but we have to learn to love and forgive ourselves. Ninth, 7 hours of sleep is necessary. If you think that just 50 days are left and so you become panic and don't sleep for 7 hours, trust me, you will not be able to recall whatever you have studied. Like you, even your brain needs rest. Finally, from my own experience, 10 hours study is must and you need to be consistent. You just cannot afford to think that today I have studied for 10 hours and so tomorrow I will not study. Trust me, this will not lead you anywhere. You need to be regular, sincere, and loyal to yourself. So, these are 10 suggestions that I feel may help those students who are seriously preparing for the exam. So, all the best, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.